War II was so much more interesting than World War I, which is odd, because usually the sequel is not better than the original. But here we are. Now we are old geezers in an old folks' home.
Oh yes, but things are still as treacherous as they used to be.
Treacherous? What do you mean?
The orderlies. There's something about them I can't put my finger. Oh, now I'm hungry. If only there was something I could eat. It's because of my diabetes.
Oh.
It's because of my diabetes. I could go for like a candy bar or something.
A candy bar?
A candy bar.
You mean like that one over there?
Oh, exactly like that. Oh, but it's too dangerous for me to go all the way over there.
Dangerous? It's only a candy bar. It's only 15 feet away from you.
Yes, but a mission is still a mission.